Alright, and we're back. They want the measure of angle A. So for A, I've got 150 minus 50 over 2. So 100 over 2. It's going to be 50 degrees. For ABC, ABC is right here. This is going to be tangent. Gracious. So we have 50 degrees here. For ABC, what I'm going to do, it may not go through the center. It probably does not. What I'm going to do is find this angle right here. This angle is going to be half of 50, so 25. And then 50, 25 is 75. So this angle right here is going to be 105. Where did it go? ABC, 105. We've got FHE. We'll get to that one last. It takes a little bit of time. We got GBC. GBC is going to be the rest of 105, so 75. Where's BCA? BCA, we've already got that at 25. And then CFD. CFD. Alright, here we go. So let's finish off the rest of these. The first one I'm going to get is CFD. It's going to be half of this angle. Here's the arc that it ends with, so here's CFD. It's going to hit this arc. Half of 50 is 25, so CFD is going to be 25. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now I want this little angle right here. I want FHE. What I'm going to do is use this triangle and get these two angles, find this one and this supplementary to that one. So 25 for this piece. Half of 35 is 17.5. So this one is 17.5 right here. So I have 25 plus 17.5 is supplementary to this angle. They all add up to 180. This angle is supplementary to the angle we want. So these two angles together are going to be the angle we want. They're both supplementary to this last angle. So 17.5 plus 25, 42.5 degrees. There we go. 23 through 25. Looking at this one. Angle A is 60 degrees, and this arc is 120, and they want you to find each measure. So let's go through, let's find it all. I know that if this is 120, this big angle right here is 240, so I'll have 240 minus 120 over 2. That's going to be angle C. So it's going to be 120 over 2, or just 60 degrees. This one is 62 degrees. And what do we got for that? Let's say that this is X. This arc in front of it is X. That makes the arc behind it 360 minus X. So my big arc, so little arc, big arc. Big arc minus little arc over 2 is that angle. So I'll have big arc is 360 minus X. My little arc is X. So I've got big minus little over 2. This is equal to 62. I'm just going to carry out the math. 360 minus 2x is equal to 124. Minus 360 to the side. Let me pull that math. 360 minus 124. 236. So 2x is equal to 236. X is going to be equal to 118. 118. Alright. What is next? So I've got 118, 120, and that's going to make this last angle 122. You just take them, subtract them up from 360. Probably going to want angle E. I wouldn't get any crazy with all the arcs. I would just say this is 62, this is 60. That makes angle E 58 because we're a triangle here. So 58 degrees, 60 degrees for angle C, and then DF, where's DF? Right here, 122. And I would fill it in just like that. Moving it on. Find each measure. AB right here, this arc is X. This is 3X. This appears to be a diameter, so this is going to be 180. Over here on this side, also going to be 180, so I have 4X equal 180. That means each of my X's is going to be 45. That makes this arc 45 and this arc 135. All right. And then they're going to want some other measures. So let me go in, let me grab all these. 135 over 2 will give me this one, so that's 67.5. 45 over 2, that's 22.5. And then my last angle, well, that's gonna make that 30, 90. Oh, that makes this right angle. That's the diameter. I should have known that. Anyway, and then well, let's see what else we need. So the measure of angle A is going to be 67.5 degrees. Measure of angle C, 22.5 degrees. ADC, that arc, ADC is going to be, it's got to be 180 degrees. Yep. And then ABC, also 180 degrees. AB, 45, we got that listed. And the measure of BC, the arc, 135. Fair enough? I mean, that's it. Next page. How much time we got? I got 4 minutes. All right. So on this one we've got ABC is 72, or ABC the angle is 72. That's bad to say. CD is 46, and then I want you to find a whole bunch of stuff. So this is 46. You've got 72 degrees. You'll notice CBD opens up to 46, so half of that in here, that's going to be 23. If this whole angle is 72 and this is 23, I'm going to have 49 of it down here. So I got that. This is going to, what are they asking us for? They're going to ask us for all these other things. Alright. This whole thing is going to be 180 because we have a diameter right here. So 46, that's going to be 134 for this. Half of that down here is going to be 67. Yeah. If I have, man, that does not look, oh, it's a central angle. It's going to be 134. Don't let me confuse you like that. When you've got a central angle, it's going to be the same. You don't have to divide it by 2. So if that vertex is on the circle, divide by 2. If it's in the middle, you're going to be even. Continuing on. So I've got 134 plus 23 is going to be 157. 23 for this top little angle right here. Why not? They're both radiuses. Gracious. This is an isosceles triangle. This is also going to be an isosceles triangle. They're both radiuses. So I've got a 49 down here as well. So 49 plus 49 going to be, what, 98? 98 from 180. Going to be 82. I should have known these things. I'm just losing it. All right, this is 82. And now we're going to take and fill in all the values that we need over here. So the measure of arc CA. I don't have that. Gracious. Well, if this is 82, this is going to be 82. And if this is 82, the whole thing is 180. This is going to be, was that 98? 82, 98, 180. So AC is going to be the whole thing. I've got, was that 130 plus 14, 144 for CA. Yeah. Measure of arc AD is going to be 98. ABD is everything but 98, so 360 minus 98. That's going to be 262. How much time we got? I got plenty of time. Alright, angle C, I've got that at 23 degrees. Angle A, I've got that at 49 degrees. And then BC, that arc is 134. Alright, cut it here.